Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss the chapter Computer Software and its type. It is a chapter 2 of our school syllabus. Software is a set of programs and related data that are used to give instruction to the hardware. In other words, I can say hardware cannot work by itself. It needs step-by-step instruction. There are like an army that needs a commanding officer. The software is a commanding officer. It is a set of instruction or programs that tells the hardware what to do and how to do. A program that runs on the computer is called a software. The games that you play and programs that you use to learn interesting things on computer are called software. Example of software are MS Office, antivirus, Windows Media Player, computer games, etc. There are two types of computer software: system software and application software. The system software is required to control the overall operation of a computer system. It can be classified into three categories: operating system, language processor, and utility software. An operating system is a software which acts as an interface between the end user and computer hardware. Every computer must have at least one operating system to run other programs. An application like Chrome, MS Word, games, etc. needs some environment in which it will run and perform its tasks. The operating system helps you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. It is not possible for the user to use any computer or mobile device without having an operating system. Some examples of operating systems are Microsoft Windows, GNU Linux, and Unix. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system. A language processor is a special type of computer software that has the capacity of translating the source code or program codes into machine codes. The following are different type of language processor are compiler, assembler, interpreter. Compiler. A compiler is a language processor which translates source code from high-level language into binary machine code. Assembler. An assembler translates from a low-level language to binary machine code. Interpreter. An interpreter is different from compiler and assembler. It does not convert program into machine code format. Instead of directs the CPU to obey each program statement. Utility software is a system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. It is used to support the computer infrastructure in contrast to application software, which is aimed at directly performing tasks that benefit ordinary user. Although a basic set of utility programs is usually distributed with an operating system, utility software is not considered part of the operating system and user often install replacements or additional utilities. Types of utilities. Antivirus utilities. Antivirus utilities scan for computer viruses and remove them. Disk defragmenters detect computer files whose contents are scattered across several locations on the hard disk and move the fragments to one location to increase efficiency. Backup software makes copy of all information stored on a disk and restore either the entire disk such as an event of disk failure or selected file such as event of accidental deletion.